Not all birds stay in the same place their whole lives. Some migrate to take advantage of seasonal resources, especially food, so that they can breed successfully or simply survive. Some migrations are short, but many birds make truly epic journeys, crossing continents, deserts, and oceans. We see a surge in bird migration during the spring when summer visitors like swifts and cuckoos arrive, and then again in the autumn when waders, wildfowl, and a whole host of other winter visitors return and summer visitors depart. Birds use a wide range of techniques to navigate along their flyways, superhighways for bird migration. They can use physical landmarks like rivers, coastlines, or mountains. They can navigate using the sun, the stars, the Earth's magnetic field, their sense of smell, or even just follow other birds. But no matter how they do it, migration is a truly incredible feat. The best-known migrating birds are probably ones that cover long distances, such as swallows. Most UK-breeding swallows winter in southern Africa, but you might be surprised to learn how many other birds migrate too. Even the blackbirds in your garden in January could well be winter visitors from northern Europe. Globally, around 2,000 species of bird are regular migrants. That's about 20% of the world's total. But some parts of the world have a higher proportion of migrants than others. In northern regions such as Canada and Scandinavia, and temperate regions such as the UK, about half the species migrate, especially insect eaters. These species visit in spring to take advantage of the high numbers of insects, but wouldn't have enough food if they stayed here through winter. In tropical regions, such as the Amazon rainforest, a lower proportion of species migrate long distances. Since the climate and food supply there are more abundant and consistent all year round. Bird migration behavior has evolved over long periods of time. Navigation is often hardwired and shaped by environmental cues like changes in temperature or day length. Once an individual bird has successfully completed its first annual migration cycle, they often simply repeat the same pattern throughout their lives. If it works once, it's likely to work again. So what cues do birds use to help them follow a route in the first place? Many use obvious physical landmarks like mountain ranges, river valleys, or coastlines to guide them. Others travel more directly, even if this means crossing dangerous stretches of desert or sea. Routes often meet at certain junctions, such as mountain passes or narrow sea crossings. Many migrating birds return along roughly the same route they follow on their outward journey. Others return a different way, maybe taking advantage of different winds and weather systems or food supplies only available at certain locations at different times of year. A bird's body tells it exactly when to migrate. Each year, at the same time, glands in its body release hormones into its system. Environmental cues, including the gradually changing day length as days get shorter in late summer and longer in early spring, cause this to happen automatically. These hormones make birds behave differently. In spring, hormones also start preparing a bird for breeding. This change is another signal to set off. For a small number of bird species, swans, geese, and cranes are examples. Migration of young birds is learnt from the behavior of parents. The young follow their parents for several months, ensuring that they migrate at the right time, follow the right route, and learn where feeding sites are along the way.